Zombie. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Looks like this is going to be an insane battle for sure, Daddy. Their colors looks like
Zombie Belial versus
shiny and whitey.
Snow Fafnir.
Great thinking, Daddy.
Snow Fafnir versus Zombie Belial.
Or
Who's going to
Blizzard.
win?
Blizzard.
Yeah, Blizzard. Blizzard. But I like Snow better because it's color white.
I like Blizzard better because it's like a whole
Okay,
thing
who's going to win
made
the
of
stamina
snow.
battle? Oh, I think it's a draw. Alright. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Snow Fafnir! Zombie! Brains!
Adam, visit your brains.
Oh man, they really look epic. Okay, so let's see who's going to win the stamina battle.
Yeah, who's
So
going
that
to win?
is
I'm sure.
Dynamite Belial F gear, Nexus Venture with V gear versus a stock combo of Vanish Fafnir.
Oh my god.
Oh, I think Fafnir won that one. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Win out, finish. Winner is Snow Fafnir.
Or Blizzard because I
The
always
Blizzard Fafnir.
Blizzard or Snow Fafnir.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, nice.
Wow.
Nice move from...
Oh, spin on like
Fafnir.
here, Daddy. Spin like
Yeah, I think the kick driver worked. Okay, stamina battle again in the center. Which color do you like better? I think I like the color of the dynamite.
I like
Belial.
the same. I like the same.
Okay. Okay, I think it's a draw again. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
I think this is going to be a fierce, mind-blowing battle. Insane.
I don't know why is the bigger not working.
Only
Maybe I should do rush one.
no. I get it. Only when Dynamite Belial's stamina is really slow, it will only.
No, that only happens in the anime.
Hey.
That will not happen in real
Hey,
life.
Fafnir also
It will
absurd
just
right.
stop spinning. Okay. Oh, I think it's a draw again.
Oh, you're right.
Okay, last battle. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Do your best.
Oh, there you go. Okay. Oh man, I should be able to push out of the stadium or burst, but
Or maybe
it will be a draw or Fafnir will win.
or Zombie Belial.
Zombie Belial!
With or out of contact because this stadium is
Brain
going to.
Bomba!
Neurons in the camera!
Okay. Oh, it's a draw again. Okay, so that's the battle between Zombie Dynamite Belial and Snow Vanish Fafnir.